Welcome to DHS Informatics. In this video, we are going to see the demonstration on waste segregation using deep learning. This project is used to classify the wastes. We are inspired by the paper titled as A Novel Framework for Trash Classification Using Deep Learning, which is published in the year 2019. In DHS, we are developing a project with two techniques, one with Jupyter Notebook and another with Flask. Basically, Jupyter Notebook is a backend and Flask is a front end. In Jupyter Notebook, we will load the data, we will do the pre-processing techniques, and we will train the model, we will test the model, and finally we will save the model. This is how the Jupyter Notebook will look like. First, we are importing all the necessary libraries here. After that, we are loading the data. In this project, we consist of totally 9 targets: battery, brown glass, cardboard, clothes, green glass, metal, plastic, shoes, white glass. Battery consists of 946 samples, brown glass consists of 608 samples, cardboard consists of 892 samples, clothes consist of 5326 samples, green glass consists of 630 samples, metal consists of 770 samples, plastic consists of 872 samples, shoes consist of 1988 samples, and white glass consists of 776 samples. After displaying our data set, then we are doing the normalization process here. This is how the images will be learned or read by the machine, and these are the targets. Here we are doing visualization, number of samples versus each classes. In the x-axis each classes, and in the y-axis number of samples, that means total number of records. After that, we are analyzing it with the pie chart. Here you can see 8.11% of samples consist like brown glass target, 12.63% of samples consisting of battery targets. Like that we are get to know from this pie chart. And these are some images from our data set we are displaying here. You can see clothes, green glass, cardboard, batteries. After that, data splitting will be done. Data is splitted into X-train, Y-train, X-test and Y-test. Here we are using two algorithms. One is a convolutional neural network and another one is DenseNet-201. Here we are building the model, and this is the model summary of convolutional neural network. And model training will be done. It consists like around 20 epochs, and these are the accuracy and loss plot graphs. These are the Y predicted value from the model, and these are the original value. Both the values are compared, and finally we will get the accuracy. We are getting 42.15% of accuracy from CNN. And this is the classification report, and this is the confusion matrix of CNN. Finally, we will save this model. Now we are going with the other algorithm. First, we are importing all the libraries. We are loading the data set. After that, visualizing. We are plotting some visualization here. These are the images, different type of images, and we will split the data. And here we are using DenseNet-201 LSTM algorithm. Here we are building the model. After that, these are the model summary, and model training will be done with 20 epochs. This is the accuracy plot. And these are the predicted value by the model. These are the labels, actual labels. Predicted value and actual value is compared. After that, here we are getting 91%, 91.72% of accuracy, and this is the classification report of DenseNet 201 LSTM, and this is the confusion matrix. Finally, we will save this model. This is about the backend part. Now we will go with the front end. First, we need to register. We need to enter first name, last name. We need to create mail address, select the gender, and we need to enter the city, country, and for this mail ID we have to create one password. After this, register. After registration, login form will open. We need to enter the mail ID and password which has been created, and we need to give login. This is how it look like. We need to choose the file. I'm uploading one image here, and I will click on submit, and the model is predicted it as metal. This is how the front end will work, and you can change the password here and you can log out from this. In DHS Informatics, we are giving the project to very reasonable price and help you until the last phase of the project review. So that contact us in 9845166723 or 988669241. We will also provide you the quality report, and we will do the installation support along with we will give the PPT. For more details, you can contact us at WhatsApp or you can walk into the office. If you like this video, comment, like and subscribe. Thank you.